Hey everyone, Mrs. Tapper again. Today is Wednesday. All right, and we are going to go over our next lesson for solid figures for Wednesday, April 29th. Wow. April's almost gone, guys. May's almost here. It's almost summertime. Yay! And you're almost first graders. Yay! Okay. So, here we go. Look at page 677. I will give you a minute to open up to that page. All right. And if you need more time, you can just pause it and we will go from there. Actually, you know what? I was just kidding. It is not Wednesday. It is Thursday, the 28th. No. 30th. Where is the time gone? It is Thursday, April 30th. And May is almost here. The rest of it I was serious about. It is almost summer and you are almost first graders. But it is Thursday, April 30th. Okay. All right, now we can move on. All right. On page 677. Again, we're doing our 3D shapes, okay? All right. Listen as I tell you a story, okay? Ready? Here we go. Jackson wants to find objects that have the same shape as these solid figures. How can he find objects that have the same shape? Draw objects below the solid figures with the same shape. Okay, so what can you think of that is the same shape as a cone? Think real world. I can tell you. Watch this. Now, my drawing's not perfect. Number one, I'm on a computer. And number two, it is going to be not very, not too perfect. What is that? Yeah, you're right. It's an ice cream cone. Okay, can you think of a cone shape? I've got another one. This should be orange, but I'm going to do this. What is that? You know the street signs? You know the street cones? You know the cones that they use for construction that are all over the place right now? They're orange though, and they're probably more rounded at the top than they are pointed. Oh, again, I'm sorry. It's yeah. Okay. What about a cylinder? Can you think of anything that's a cylinder? I showed you something on Monday or Tuesday that was a cylinder. What is that? Oh, Pringles, chips, sour cream and onion. It's a cylinder. You could draw a can of a cylinder of a Pringles. Look at this. What's this? My water bottle, right? It's cylinder shaped. For the most part. My coffee cup is too, that I drink out of every morning. A cylinder. What else can you think of that's cylinder? Draw it in that blank. Same thing with a sphere. What can you think of that's a sphere? Here's Declan's little basketball. See it? His basketball. Draw a ball. You can draw basketball, soccer ball, baseball. Can you draw football? No, because it's not a cylinder, is it? Good job. And then cubes. What could you draw that's a cube? I showed you a dice. And what else could you draw? I have a crayon box up there that's the shape of a cube. It's not like the flat ones. It's an actual one from the Crayola store. What else could you draw that's a cube? Yeah, a box. Maybe a Kleenex box. That's more of a rectangular prism, but okay. All right, if you need more time to do this, you can pause me and you can take much time as you need and then move on. I'm going to go ahead and start the visual learning video that we're going to watch, and you can finish up that page and listen while you work if you'd like, or you can hit pause and then go on.
Let's name some shapes. Jackson is holding a box. What shape is the box?
What is it? Let's see if you're right.
The shape of the box is a cube. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cube?
So what else can you think of? Just shout it out. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. All right, let's see if they say it.
A tissue box is shaped like a cube. Now Jackson is holding a can of soup. What shape is the can of soup?
What is it? 5 seconds. If you said cylinder, you are
The shape of the can is a cylinder.
correct.
What else can you think of that is shaped like a cylinder?
So what else can you think of that's shaped like a cylinder? Shout it out. Let's see if you're right.
A roll of paper towels is shaped like a cylinder.
Didn't think of that one.
Now Jackson is holding a party hat. What shape is the party hat?
Shout it out. What is it? Let's see if you're right.
The shape of the party hat is a cone. What else can you think of that is shaped like a cone?
We just talked about several of them. What do you think? What do you think they're going to come up with? Let's see.
An ice cream cone is shaped like a cone.
My best kind of cone.
Now Jackson is holding a beach ball. What shape is the beach ball?
What shape is it? Let's see if you're right.
The shape of the beach ball is a sphere.
Good
What else can you
job.
think of that is shaped like a sphere?
What else? What else can you think of? What else is shaped like a sphere? Think of everyday life. What do you see?
A soccer ball is shaped like a sphere. Now you know how to name shapes that you see.
Awesome job. All right, moving on to the next page. 13-2 guided practice. All right, here we go. Here's what you just watched, this movie, right? And we said that the gift was a cube, the can of soup was a cylinder, the hat was a cone, and the ball was a sphere, right? All right, let's take a look at guided practice 1 and 2. 1 and 2, name the solid figure on the left. And then circle the solid figure on the right. So here's your blue line, right? See that? You're going to name this one. So what is this? Sphere. Good job. And you're going to circle the sphere. What is this? Cube. Good job. And then you're going to circle the cube. Awesome. Okay. You can do that while I turn the page. Told you it's going to be kind of quick. We're reviewing. All right, here we go. Number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So for activities 3 through 8, name the solid figure on the left and then circle the object or solid figure on the right that has the same name. All right, so we just did that. What is this? A cylinder, and circle the cylinder. What is this? A cone, circle the cone. All right, so you can do the rest of that page on your own. And that is it for today for this slide. I hope you enjoy the video I have in there for you. And until next time, bye.